Underwood & Co has been involved in dental practices for 50 years. We're based in the medical area of London, and as a result of that we've had numerous dental clients. We're on the recommended list of providers for legal services for dentists for the British Dental Association, whose offices are a stone's throw away from us.
We pride ourselves on being able to provide a solution to a problem.
If they're purchasing for the first time, we have to advise them about the goodwill element, which is obviously, as far as we're concerned and the dentist is concerned, is the most valuable part of the practice. The goodwill is the patient base, and it's also the employees, and it's the business which is running as a going concern.
One aspect that Underwood & Co are very happy to advise on is the potential for the seller to remain as an associate for a period of time after completion. This will enable the smooth transition of the practice from the seller to the buyer.
It's about the best outcome and protecting that goodwill. You need to look at what the seller is going to do once they've sold this practice and this goodwill.
A buyer doesn't want to pay a large sum of money and then find out that the seller is setting up a competing practice just down the road.
So you have to look at what we call a restraint of trade.
He's prevented from approaching employees, he's prevented from approaching the patients.
Goodwill can actually attach to the associates, and when we say that, it means that the patients would probably develop a relationship with this associate and would probably want to continue going to that associate, even though the associate is not the seller. So we need to make sure there's agreements in place and that the goodwill stays with the practice.
We try and present everything in a clear, precise manner which anyone can understand who's had no experience of the law previously.
We always provide, a service for the dentist afterwards. We can help them with their employment contracts, any issues in relation to that, and also associates.
Our values at Underwood & Co are to provide a personal service to the clients, to make them happy with what they've got in the way of legal services, and to build up a long-term relationship with them.